আজকের মক টেস্ট কি প্রথম নাকি এর আগে কোথাও মক টেস্ট দিয়েছেন?
জি, মক টেস্ট দিয়েছি।
মক টেস্ট
৩ টা
দিয়েছেন?
দিয়েছি স্যার।
অনলাইনে
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ।
দিয়েছেন?
না, অফলাইন।
অফলাইন। আচ্ছা, অনলাইন অফলাইনে কম্পেয়ার করলে আপনার কাছে কোনটা বেশি ভালো লেগেছে?
স্যার আপনি যেভাবে সবকিছু আ আমাকে বুঝাই দিচ্ছেন যে এভাবে করলে তোমার হচ্ছে আরো ইমপ্রুভ হবে। এরকম
হ্যাঁ,
আমি
হ্যাঁ।
ও অফলাইনে এরকম করে বলে নাই ওর টিচাররা।
আচ্ছা,
উনাদের কাছে গেলে ওনারা এক্সাম শেষ হলে বলত যে, "আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, তুমি যেতে পারো।"
জাস্ট স্কোরটা
আমরা
দিয়ে
আসা
দিত।
পড়তাম। হ্যাঁ, শুধু স্কোরটা দিয়ে দিত।
এভাবে আপনাকে মানে আপনার ফিডব্যাকটা দেয় নাই, রাইট? মানে কোথায়,
নো,
কোথায়
নো
আপনার কাজ
স্যার,
করতে হবে এই বিষয়গুলো দেয় নাই।
নো স্যার।
আচ্ছা, আমাদের মক টেস্টের ব্যাপারে আপনি কিভাবে জেনেছেন?
আমি আ খুঁজতেছিলাম যে এরকম একটা মক টেস্ট আমার ভয় কাটানোর জন্য। তাই আমি অনলাইনে খুঁজতেছিলাম
সো
তাই
অ্যাজ এ ক্যান্ডিডেট আপনার কি মনে হয় যে এরকম মক টেস্ট কি দেওয়া উচিত? ক্যান্ডিডেটদের বেশি, বেশি স্পিকিংটা?
অবভিয়াসলি স্যার, অবভিয়াসলি কারণ এটা অনেক হেল্প করে। তার নার্ভাসনেসটা কাটাতে অনেক হেল্প করে। আ যদি এখানে নার্ভাসনেস কাটানো যায় স্যার তাহলে মেইন এক্সামে গিয়ে সে অনেক ভালো করতে পারবে আমার মনে হয়।
This is a speaking mock test of the International English Language Testing System taking place online. And the candidate is Zisanul Haq Tamim, and the examiner is Tanjin Rahman. Good afternoon. My name is Tanjin
Good afternoon.
Rahman. Would you please tell me your full name?
My full name is Jisanul Haq Tamim. You may address me as Tamim.
Can you tell me where are you from, Tamim?
Well, I originated from Borishal, but I live in Dhaka because of my educational purpose.
So, in this first part of the test, I would like to ask some questions about yourself. Let's
Okay,
talk
sir.
about what you do, Tamim. Do you work or study?
Well, I'm a student, current student. I recently completed my higher secondary school certificate examination, and right now I'm taking preparation for my IELTS exam.
Okay, let's talk about growing vegetables, right, Tamim? Tamim,
Okay, sir.
are you interested in growing vegetables and fruits?
Uh, if I'm honest here, sir, I love growing vegetables. Even I
Why?
try to. I love fresh foods. If I cultivate vegetables, that I can take it from my garden and I can enjoy it.
Okay, is growing vegetables popular in your country?
Yes, obviously, in my country, people love to grow different kind of vegetables,
Why?
and because if they cultivate vegetables, they can eat without payment and they can enjoy these vegetables without any hesitation.
So, do you think, Tamim, that it's easy to grow vegetables?
Well, if I be honest here, this is
Mhm.
not easy in my country because there have no enough space for growing vegetables. So this is not easy.
And should schools teach students how to grow vegetables?
Yes, obviously, school teachers should teach their students how to
Why?
because students if students know how to grow vegetables and they can cultivate in their home and this will be very beneficial for
Let's
the
talk
future.
about borrowing, right? So, have you borrowed books from others?
Yes, obviously,
Why?
uh, uh, when I was in college, love to borrow books from others because I can borrow books in a cheaper price.
Okay. And is it good to borrow money from friends?
Uh, yes, obviously, when I face any kind of money problem, that time I borrow some money from one of my close friends, and I try to return him in a certain time.
And Tamim, how do you feel when people do not return things they borrowed from you?
Well, if I be honest here, I feel so uh, bad because uh, one of my friend, I remember I give some money one of my friend, but did not return me. So I decided that I will not give, I would not help my friends by giving money.
Okay. That's the end of part one, Tamim. So in part 2, I will give you a cue card with a topic and you will have to talk about it for next 1 to 2 minutes. Before that, you will get 1 minute for making notes if you wish, right? So
Okay.
I'm going to share the screen with you. Your cue card topic is describe the time when you first talk in a foreign language. Your 1 minute preparation time starts now.
Okay, sir. I'm ready.
Ready?
Okay, sir.
Sure. Start speaking, please.
Well, generally speaking, today I would like to talk about one of my my first time that I talked with someone in foreign language. I clearly remember that when I get my vacation, that time me and my friend decided that we will go to Cox's Bazar for a visit. So when we arrived in Cox's Bazar, we noticed that some tourists who came from Germany who didn't communicate with our native people. That time they're facing many problem that where they go and how can he manage accommodation and how can he manage some foods. But that time I decided that I should help him. I talked to my friend and I we decided that we will go there and help them to find out their accommodation and for them. So when we first that time I go when them and introduced myself and I told them that I would like to help them. So they were very happy here that, and I helped them to find out their for hotel for their living, and I prefer some foods which they can try in uh, our such as I prefer biryani and which is famous in my country. They were very happy that I helped him. I helped them. So yeah, overall, if I say my feelings, I was the time I was very happy and I
Thank
am
you.
feeling so
Thank
proud.
you. Thank you. That's the end of cue card portion. So as we've been talking about, just wait a bit.
Okay, sir.
As we've been talking about the time when you first talked in a foreign language, so Tamim, I'm going to ask you 2 or 3 more general questions related to this, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Tamim, at what age should children start learning a foreign language?
Well, from my perspective, I think when children start their school lesson, that time they should learn foreign language because it not only help in their future uh, studies, but also help they communicate with others who came from foreign countries.
Okay, and which skill is more important, speaking or writing?
Oh, well, from in my view, I always prefer every person should learn speaking because when an individual go to new countries or new cities, they have to speak. So I always prefer speaking compared to
Okay,
writing.
and does a person still need to learn other languages if he or she is good at English?
Yes, obviously, I always prefer everyone if he know English, they should learn other languages such as French and German language because which will help them in future to getting a good opportunity of good jobs.
Thank you so much. That's the end of our mock test here, right? So আপনি কি মেন এক্সামের ডেট নিয়েছেন?
Yes, sir.
কবে নিয়েছেন ডেট?
Uh, জানুয়ারি 10 তারিখ স্যার।
জানুয়ারি 10। স্পিকিং এর ডেট কবে?
11 তারিখ।
11 তারিখ। আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে তামিম, যদি আপনি মনে করেন আরো একটা মক টেস্ট দিবেন আমাকে জানাবেন, ঠিক আছে?
ওকে স্যার।
ঠিক আছে,
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
ধন্যবাদ। এনি কোয়েশ্চেন্স?
নো স্যার।
ঠিক আছে, ধন্যবাদ। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।
আল্লাহ হাফেজ।